Welcome to the DMV Virtual Office. To use this convenient online tool, you'll begin by choosing the appropriate transaction, which is located at the bottom of the Virtual Office homepage. In this case, choose Vehicle Registration Renewal. Before you begin your transaction, review the checklist to make sure that you have all of the necessary documents. Then, select Start DMV Virtual Registration Renewal. You'll find the button on the left side of the screen. You will then be asked to provide your contact information. This includes your first and last name, telephone number, email address, and your physical address, including the city, state, and zip code. In the next section, describe the service you want to complete. You'll need to provide the last 5 digits of your vehicle identification number, or VIN, and your license plate number. Under the heading Transaction Documents, the first question will help you determine whether you can proceed using the DMV Virtual Office. Remember, the DMV Virtual Office is for complex transactions that previously required an office visit to provide necessary documentation that you can now upload with a computer or smartphone. If you don't meet this criteria, you'll be instructed to use DMV's online registration renewal system, which will be much faster. When you have finished this online form, check the box next to I'm not a robot. Then click Submit. You'll receive a reference code, similar to the one on the screen. It'll be sent to your email address. A DMV customer service representative will then begin processing your request, and we ask for your patience during this process. You'll be contacted again by email to finalize your transaction. Just click on the link. If you have any questions, you can reply to this email. If you're paying by e-check, select which bank account you'll be using, checking or savings, and provide the routing and account numbers, along with your name. This illustration shows you where you can find this information on a check. If you're paying by credit card, provide the requested information, such as the name that appears on your card, your account number, expiration date, and security code. Remember, you must submit payment and all necessary documents to complete the transaction. If there are any questions about your application, a customer service representative will contact you. Otherwise, you'll receive a transaction complete notice. Thanks for using the DMV Virtual Office.